Newsweek is calling the world's greatest living choreographer.
Behind the curtain.
It's creating an atmosphere and a team and a group of people who trust each other.
Behind the applause.
You'll get 300 to 500 women showing up for one, and that's just for one dance company, one job.
Behind the glory.
I wouldn't trade anything in the world for an hour in the studio with Paul making something. I mean, it can be really hard.
There lies a special group of people who are willing to give up everything for the passion.
Fall in love for that 6 minutes that you're dancing together.
For the pride.
What are you?
Well, I'm a dance maker.
For the pain.
I was in a wheelchair for like 6 months. I had a break in my right tibia.
For the desire.
He allows the poetry of your own self to come out and merge with his.
For the dedication.
Sometimes I think if I asked them to jump out the window, they actually would.
For the dance.
Let's face it, the dancers are just waiting to give them some steps.
Paul Taylor is the Dancemaker.
Stands for life. Dancing.
I was looking for something really competitive, and now I've got it.
I'm coaching the team. You just play. Don't talk to me like that.
Fastpitch is played in the small towns of America. Why are we playing a game where no one gets rich?
This is the best as it comes in softball in Ashland.
It is America's real national pastime.
We got more uniforms than any other team, right?
White pinstripes.
Now black pinstripes.
How in the world did these people from New Zealand get here in this house?
And for a group of guys, it is their one chance to fulfill their destiny.
I had a dream I was pitching fast-pitch softball in the United States, and I had a dream I was representing my country.
If we can take our rightful place in the game of fast pitch, I think it'll give us those good feelings necessary for cause us and our children to take our rightful place in all facets of society.
Fastpitch, the true story about the game.
I certainly agree it's not what it used to be, but then I'm not so sure it should be what it used to be.
The players.
He was like the Willie Mays of softball. What are you? See us tomorrow?
I am its girlfriend, and we are happy. Back off.
And its history.
The Tampa Bay Smokers are champions of the world!
Wow! It's in your blood, you just can't get it out. But my blood's getting a little thinner.
Fastpitch. It's softball played hard.
Don't understand the wars of fast pitch softball.
We call it the Vietnam War.
I wanted to stop him, and I tried to.
And that when the war actually touched my life, the bomb was dropping in my house.
But Suan and everyone else I meet here call it the American War.
Because I still remember his face at the airport. We said goodbye. He knew.
It isn't just the war is here and it's over. It starts when it ends.
Maybe I'll get a letter today. And I go down to the mailbox and there was no letter. I wondered about what did he have to do?
I decide who live and who die.
Sometimes the effects of a war don't happen right away.
I think I'm going to make it through just fine.
Do you know there are sounds everywhere? I know that you don't hear them, but everywhere there's sound. When you open a door, that's a sound. When you knock on a door, what? Ring a doorbell, that's a sound. Right. What's that? What does that mean? Oh, a lion? A lion roar, right. Everything makes a sound.
Bye.